Hello and welcome to Let's Think. Today we are counting down 10 strangest planets found in our known universe. The planets are not arranged in any order, but before starting, I would like to ask, tell us which is your favorite planet. HD106906b. This planet is found in GRES constellation, approximately 300 light years from the Earth. The planet is around 11 times bigger than Jupiter and is dubbed the Super Jupiter. Despite its immense size, the planet orbits its star at a distance 20 times greater than the space between the Sun and Neptune, which is about 60 billion miles, making it one of the loneliest planets in the universe. GRES 2b. This planet is located about 750 light years away. The planet is a lot like Jupiter. They are both nearly the same size and it orbits a star that is similar to the Sun. It reflects less than 1% of the light which it strikes. Putting it in other words, it absorbs huge amount of light, so much so that it is considered the darkest planet. It is darker than black acrylic paint or even coal. It is speculated that the atmosphere of the planet has chemicals or mix of compounds. Interestingly, at 1800 Fahrenheit, it turns hot enough to emit a dull reddish glow. Number 3. GLESA 581c. The GLESA 581c is a very strange planet. Ask why? GLESA 581c is tidally locked to always face the red dwarf star which it revolves around, and other side faces the opposite side. The one side facing the red dwarf is so hot that it will melt you, while stepping on the dark side will freeze you immediately. Nevertheless, scientists have speculated the narrow stretch of GLESA 581c is habitable. Living on this surface would be different from Earth. Sky is red partially due to the fact that a red dwarf star bombards the planet with red and infrared lights, and photosynthesizing plants are subject to infrared radiation, thus blackening them. Number 4. Planet Salaah. This planet, also known as PSR 162026b, is so old that it defies traditional astrophysical models, and it is thought that a planet can't be 13 billion years old because of a lack of materials that planets needed to form during that time in the universe. Yet, this planet is nearly triple the age of Earth and was likely formed only 1 billion years after the Big Bang. The planet orbits a binary star comprising a white dwarf star and a pulsar amongst a globular cluster of stars in the Scorpius constellation. Number 5. Danette Osiris HD209458b, located 150 light years away from planet Earth in the Pegasus constellation, and is the first exoplanet to be discovered in transit of its orbiting star. It is 30% larger than Jupiter, while its orbit is 1/8 of Mercury distance from Sun. Its temperature is extremely high, about 1832 Fahrenheit. The heat and pressure exerted on the gas planet has resulted in a significant evaporation of various atmospheric gases which stream out from the planet's gravitational field, like. Number 6. The rock showers of planets. The COROT7b is a strange and mysterious planet outside the solar system, and the first rocky planet discovered orbiting a star other than the Sun. It is believed to have been a giant gas planet initially, like Neptune or Saturn, but due to its proximity to its host, it gradually lost its gas and atmosphere layer. Since it is tidally locked, it always faces its star on the side where temperature can be 4000 degrees Fahrenheit, while the temperature on the side facing away is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The conditions lead to rock rain, vaporized rocks that fall as liquid rock rain and solidify on the surface of the planet. Number 7. HATP1. HATP1 is a gas giant and was recently discovered by the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics. It is a strange and mysterious planet outside the solar system, located 450 light years away. The stunning fact about this planet is that despite its size, it weighs about the same as only a cork ball. It is classified as a hot Jupiter planet. It is nearly 25% larger than the models estimate. The astrophysicists are trying to find out why it is swelled up. Scientists suspect that it can float in water. Number 8. J1407b. J1407b features planetary rings 200 times larger than Saturn, discovered in 2012 with its data only recently compiled and submitted for publication. This planet is located 400 light years from Earth. The rings are so big that if Saturn had similar rings, it would almost dominate the Earth's sky, appearing larger than the Moon. And scientists also believe that the gaps between the rings are believed to represent exomoons orbiting this exoplanet. Not only that, the ring system is so large that astronomers observed a 56-day eclipse of the star that J1407b orbits. I wish I could see that planet. Number 9. Gliese 436b. Gliese 436b is another planet under the Gliese catalog. It's about 20 times bigger than Earth and is roughly the size of Neptune. The planet is 4.3 million miles away from its host star, in comparison to Earth, which is 93 million miles from Sun. So what is so strange about this planet, you ask? Let me tell you. The temperature on the planet is 822 degrees Fahrenheit, and its surface is covered with burning ice. This phenomenon occurs due to immense gravitational force of the planet, which prevents water molecules from evaporating, and this prevents them from escaping the planet, thus showing us the burning ice. Number 10. 55 Cancri E. 55 Cancri E was discovered in 2004. It is twice the size of Earth and 8 times its mass, and is called Super Earth. This is a solid planet made of carbon-rich material. Roughly a third of planet's mass would be carbon, much of which may be in the form of diamond, as a result of the temperatures and pressure in the planet's interior. The planet's Earth value is worth total of $26.9 million. Putting it into perspective, it is $26.9 followed by 30 zero, which is about 384 quintillion times Earth's GDP of $74 trillion. According to Forbes, mining only 0.182% of it would pay off the total debt of $50 trillion of all the governments in the world. Before some of you get ready to mine this planet, listen first. You just have to travel 40 light years. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below which content do you want to see next. I'll try to make it possible. And like the video and subscribe for more amazing content. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.